Alright, you're gonna put a bracket over the hitch where you lock in your freedom top. There's gonna be 2 screws and 1 long bracket. And you're gonna add 2 screws on the very bottom. Alright, these are your switches. They're just gonna be, when you add this on, you're gonna add your switch connection onto the plug. And then you're gonna add the positive switch into the 12 volt. And you're gonna take these 2 screws off when installing. These are 10 millimeters. Take them off. And then add the bracket and repost these screws in. There's 6 relays in this pod. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all of them control one switch. So you could have rock lights, tail lights, tall lights, compressor, and so on. A pod is you could switch everything into one box. So having a bunch of wires running into your dash, you'll have everything run into this box. So you'll just have all your plugins straight into these positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. It makes it easier.